Hi guys, welcome back to Sam Gates Technical Tinkering. Today we are going to try to attempt a dual boot with Kali Linux and Ubuntu. So first thing we're going to do is get into a browser, head over to kali.org and find your system. I'm downloading 64, so I'll just click that download button there. I'm also downloading bare metal. So I'm going to save file. Alright, so we'll give it time to download. In the meantime, we'll close that browser, minimize it, and head over to Show Applications. We'll type in Terminal, open Terminal. And then for this, make sure you're using it as root, so we gotta type in sudo bash and hit enter and type in your password. And then we'll just clear it. Okay. Now we're going to type in sudo add-apt. Okay, so that's what we're going to type in. I'll leave all the commands at the bottom, and we'll hit enter. And enter again. And let it load. Once it's done, we're going to type in sudo apt-get update and hit enter. Let it load. And then we are going to do sudo apt-get install. So sudo apt-get install Unnetbootin. Hit enter. Choose Y for yes. And give it time to load. Okay, so when it's done loading, we'll just type in Unnetbootin and hit enter. And you'll get this screen to pop up. So our file is taking a while to download. So select the distribution. We're using Ubuntu. And I'm not seeing it here. Alright, so it's just under Super OS. We'll click on that. And then we're going to click on live. Make sure you're not clicking net install or anything else. We're just doing the live. And we'll install the latest version. And not sure if our file's done yet. Still an hour and 43 minutes. So we'll just wait on that. Okay, so our video's done downloading. So we'll close that. We're going to choose a disk image. I put it down to 20.4 there. And we're going to select the file. So we're going to go to Computer, Home, Desktop, and there it is. I'm going to open that. So I'm just formatting the USB. I was using it on Windows. So I'll make a video of that, but not on this one. Alright, so after formatting it, we have it there. And we're going to click OK. Let's double check, make sure everything's the same. Click OK. And let it load. This window just came up. So if you see one, just let it run. Alright. So we'll exit this. Close the browsers.
I know. It's hard to believe that there was a time when my greatness was appreciated. A time where many didn't understand the importance.
Power off. We need to enter the BIOS. So we're on a Zeus laptop here, so we're going to power off and hit F2. Well, power off and then power on again, holding F2. Alright, so we'll hit the power and F2. Get into BIOS, go into boot, look for the disk, and we're going to bring it up.
How did the demon get through the gate? We will speak about this at the assembly.
And
You are dismissed.
then we're going to save and exit. Confirm, yes.
I walked from the North Water. Our village was invaded.
Alright, so we're going to pick live system there. Just hit enter. Wait for it to load.
Together, we'll expansion from our world. We've really come a long way. Thank you. It meant a lot to me. Now hide.
You're doing everything.
Alright, so we're going to go up here in the top left. We're going to type in gparted. And then we're going to click on that one there. And we're going to make some room. Give it time to load. Alright, so we'll go here to resize it. Let's try that one. Resize. Yeah, that's a bit excessive. Let's try resizing or upsizing. Let's try about there.
I'm Mira. My daughters are over in Brunana. That's enough. And what was your name?
I'm going to try to put it around 40.
It's okay. Sandy doesn't have her own strength. Yeah, I told you. Please, sit.
So I guess right there, 40. Yeah, that works.
I want to know why I never came back.
Alright,
The scholar took good care of me.
alright. Accept all operations. Apply.
If life was so terrible here, why did you come back?
Wait for it to load. Alright, so now that's completed. We'll close that.
And you have to tell me the truth.
And you'll see here, 39 gigabytes.
Not long. She means
All
not
right.
long because she's only little, but as if she
We're
had
gonna power off. Restart.
I know how hard this must have been for you. So is it much more? But
Do that exactly. Enemy of my enemy.
And then
is
hit
my friend.
F2
So we had
to enter BIOS again.
we also had each other. So we joined a hype network together. They really don't make gods the way they used to, do they?
I'm curious. How does a mother out on her own make a living in a place like this? And that?
I guess it's updating.
know anything about fishing?
So we'll just let it update and
There's no fish in that river.
try to get into BIOS again.
Sandy, that's... What about the quest? She's my mother. How do you know that?
Alright, back in BIOS.
I just do.
So we're gonna do the same thing.
And say she's
Find our
your
boot
mother, you know nothing about her. All you know is that
USB,
when things
bring it
became
to the
difficult,
top,
she discarded you like an
and restart it.
You always feel like a part of you is missing. I wasn't born in a zoo, you know. Since we're being
Alright. So we are going to go to the advanced options.
I thought I could
Graphical
do the space suit
installers.
that girls
Click
are
enter. And
not your mother.
install.
Please just leave now.
We're going to pick our language. So English. Come over to the bottom, click continue.
promise me we'll take them to the Darcy.
Location. Canada for me.
Wait. I can tell you
US
one
keyboard.
thing about your mother. She'd be proud of the woman you've become.
Continue.
I hope my girls grow up to be as strong as you.
And we will continue. And just let it load. Now it's asking me for firmware files, which I don't have.
It's just the one
Now I'm going to click no and continue.
I've begun to lose hope. These stubborn
Let some more installing go on. And connect to some internet. So if you're doing Wi-Fi, find your Wi-Fi, put your password. Alright, so once we hit enter on the Wi-Fi and the password, it will load some more.
I guess that makes you completely expendable.
So I'll just leave it at
I
tally.
don't think you understand. I'm rather in a hurry.
You can enter any host name. Continue.
Prove to me you can
Domain
translate
name.
the text, or
I'll just
say
leave it blank.
hello to the abyss at the bottom of the palace. Nobody knows how deep it
Continue.
truly is, but those who made the trip
Full name of user. Go ahead and put your alias or your name. We're going to pick a username, could be any username, and click on continue.
That's why you're in a hurry.
And go ahead and choose a password, and then click continue, and you'll get some more loading. Pick your time zone.
No.
Wherever you are in the world, and click continue.
No. No, wait! Please!
Because we're doing a dual boot, we're going to pick the first one, use largest continuous free space, and we're going to click continue, and we're going to select all files in one partition, click continue, and then we're going to finish partitioning. Go ahead and click continue.
That is one way we must remember that we are humans, not gods.
And
However,
click yes.
your arrival could not be better.
Continue.
Is holding a banquet for the most powerful demons.
And let it partition the disk. Now it's installing the base system. Alright. So it's asking to configure a package manager. We'll choose yes and continue. And we're going to leave that blank. Continue. Alright, so we're just going to leave it all at default. And click on continue. Alright. Now it's installing the Grub bootloader. Now it's finishing the installation. And when it's done installing, it will shut down. Alright, so we're just gonna click continue. Alright, so installation is complete. So what we'll do is we'll remove the USB and click continue. And it will reboot. Alright, there we go. So you have your it's booting Kali. So Kali's working. Seems so far. Okay, so put in your username and password and log in. And so we have Kali working. Now we're going to power off and see if the Linux is working. So we'll shut down. And power back on. And we'll click the Linux system, hit enter. And it seems to be working. Let's just wait to make sure. And there you go. There's your dual boot Kali Linux NetHunter pen test operating system. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye bye.